Hi guys and welcome back. Today's recipe will be sweet chili and jerk wings. And trust me, you all are going to love this recipe. So today I will be using chicken wings. If you don't have chicken wings, this recipe will do with any chicken, and this is 1.5 pounds. What I did here was cut the tips off. If you want to leave them, then you may leave them. So the seasoning that I will be using is the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning in a mile, some liquid smoke, a little ground black pepper, a little thyme, some garlic powder, and also some Hungarian paprika. So you want to start off with the mild jerk seasoning. I use here 3 tablespoonfuls. And also guys, remember this recipe is for 1.5 pounds of chicken. So after putting the jerk seasoning on there, I'm gonna put like maybe a half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And next I will be adding 1 teaspoonful of liquid smoke. And right here I'm adding a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. After the garlic powder, I'm adding just a few sprinkles of thyme, and that's optional. Just a little ground black pepper, and also cannot forget the paprika, and that is a half a teaspoonful. And also please make sure you mix everything fully together. I had a little excess water in there from washing the chicken, so I'm going to drain that off. And right here, I also will add a tablespoonful of sweet chili sauce. Go right ahead and mix everything up, and also get you some plastic and cover it and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Better results if it's overnight. So while the chicken is marinating, we're gonna get some jerk, some sweet chili sauce, and some brown sugar to make our glaze. Okay guys, so for the glaze I'm going to use a half a cup of sweet chili sauce. Now remember, this recipe is for 1.5 pounds of chicken. And I almost forgot that I did sprinkle just a little thyme in the glaze, but that is optional. So to my glaze, I'm adding a half a teaspoon full of jerk sauce. Now this part you can adjust how hot or how sweet you want your sauce glazing to be. And there's one more ingredient I'm gonna add with the glaze, and that is a half a teaspoon of brown sugar, and that part you can also adjust it. Right before we put our chicken in the air fryer, we're going to give it one nice big last stir. And next we're going to line all the chicken onto the rack of the air fryer. This recipe is going to be for 25 minutes. So at first I cook them for 10 minutes on 375 for 10 minutes. And this is how my chicken looked after 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip them over for another 10 minutes. And your wings should look similar like this. And no, they are not burnt. That's the jerk sauce on there that gives them a little bit more brown. So after you put all the wings in your bowl, now you can take the glaze that you made earlier and put them all over the chicken. After you mix the glaze on your chicken, place the chicken back into the air fryer for about 3 to 4 minutes so the glaze can coat the chicken very well. And remember, we want our wings to be sticky, so that's one of the reasons why I put brown sugar in the glaze. And here you go, guys. This recipe is called sweet chili jerk wings that was made in the air fryer. Remember, you can do the same steps in the oven, but the air fryer is just quicker than the oven.